Hello everyone, in today's video I have taken for you best project with the name of TTMOEVIP project. Complete detail will be given to you that how you can sign up here, what will be your profit margin. Watch complete video, don't skip any part, and at the end of the video you will be able to know that how much profit margin is waiting for you here. Watch complete video. First of all, I'm adding a link in the description box. You will have to simply tap on it, then the sign up option will be open to you like this. You will have to enter the email address in the section, then the login password. You will have to enter the login password here, then re-enter. This one is the security code option. You will have to enter the security code. Then this one is a Telegram username. You will have to enter the Telegram here. Then the WhatsApp number. This one is invitation code option, which will be filled out automatically. You don't need to do anything with it. Then simply tap on it on the register button, then your registration will be successful. So I have already created an account. Now I will show you the further steps about that, how you can make the top up here, how you can withdraw your amount. So first of all, announcement option will be given to you that daily profit increases. Register for 45 USDT. 1% store value will be given as a bonus. You can check this out. You can become an agent, and then you can get generous reward here. So once they have 15 active member, then you can the agent level will be upgraded, and you can receive one-time payment of 30 USDT. So you will have to simply check this out. Simply tap on it on the close option. First of all, the interface will be shown to you like this. This one is a recharge option, this one is a withdraw detail, this one is a team option. You can also download the app by simply tapping on it. Agent corporation detail is also mentioned here. So the main business is to combine the compatibility of the big data, artificial intelligence, the cloud computing, provide industry leading new data and intelligent technology service to quantitative investors and investment institutions. So you will have to simply check this out, all these detail here. First of all, I will show you their quantify option. When you simply tap on it on the quantify, so VIP2 is also enabled here. So I will simply tap on it on the start quantify option. Then as you can see here, 2.30% will be the profit ratio. VIP 0 detail and VIP 1 detail is also mentioned here. 25 USDT will be minimum investment for the VIP 1, and 1.80% profit ratio will be given to you. VIP 200 USDT will be given to you for the VIP 2, and the current level is 2.30%. You can also check this out. So you can also check this one is a VIP 3 detail. 250 USDT will be needed to unlock this, and the 2.80% will be your profit ratio. You will have to simply tap on it to confirm it. It will ask you for the recharge. You will have to simply go back to the home option. Then this one is the recharge option, as you can see here, as this given here. You will have to simply tap on it on the recharge option. This one is a QR code. You can send payment by scanning this QR code. Otherwise, what you need to do, you need to simply copy this link, and then you need to send the payment at this TRC20 USDT address. So then simply tap on it on the recharge completed option, then your recharge will be completed. So now let's go back here. When the recharge will be completed, you will have to simply tap on it on the me section. When you simply tap on it on the me section, your available balance will be shown to you like this. Then what you need to do, you need to simply tap on it on this quantify option. After clicking on the quantify option, what you need to do, you need to simply tap on it on this click to unlock option. This one is given here. I have unlocked the VIP2. Now what you need to do, you need to start the quantification here. What you need to do, you need to simply tap on it on the start quantification option. So quantification has been started, and in a few seconds it will be completed. When it will be completed, your profit ratio will be given to you. So on the screen you can check this out. The profit is calculating as 2.5 USDT. You can check this out, is given here. You will have to simply tap on it on this button. So this one is the profit ratio, 2.5 is given to you. So I will show you that how you can withdraw your amount. Before going to the withdraw option, I will show you that how you can earn money by simply sharing the link with one of your friends. So you will have to simply tap on it on the invite friend option. So this one is a QR code. You can send payment by scanning this QR code. Otherwise you will have to copy this link, share this link with one of your friends. This is your refer reward. So you need to copy this link and then share this link with one of your friends. If your friend interested here and they create an account, you will also get handsome onto the profit through the referral reward system, and your team section will be shown to you like this, as you can see here. Now let's go back to this option. Then I want to show you that how you can withdraw your amount. You will have to simply tap on it on the withdraw option. Then what you need to do, you need to simply tap on it on this Tron address option. You will have to paste your Tron address. Then withdrawal limit is 1 2, as this given here. You will have to enter the amount as 2.50. Then this one is a security code option. You need to enter the security code, then simply tap on it on the confirm option. After filling out all these steps, then your withdrawal will be succeeded. So this one is a complete detail about this. If you still facing any queries or the trouble, you can ask me in my comment section. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you so much.